channel, editors. Today I will be showing you how to do an audio drop. There's not really a name for it. It's just something people have been doing, and I thought it'd be cool to show you guys. So I'm gonna open my legally downloaded software. Let this shit load. Yo, is this shit still recording, bro? Okay. So now, I'm gonna just make this shit tutorial. Animate titties. Okay. So let's put some clips and shit. Look for your song and select this shit.
2,000 years later.
Kind of one skipped over a little bit just because, or fast forward just because this shit was lagging forever. Once you have your song and shit, let me turn this off. Go to your waveform. So I'm gonna play this real quick. So right here is where like the audio, where I keyframed it and shit. This is already here, but I'll play this real quick. Now see how that sounds like smooth, where it doesn't sound like, it doesn't sound shitty. So you don't like, if I do like this, if it's too far apart, it's just gonna sound like bad. So let's see, undo keyframe movement. So yeah, basically I just, you keyframe it there, you keyframe both of these. On this one, I keyframe about -30, because that one sounds like the best to me. And there's a thing where people also add the this like a whoosh effect, like a beat rise or whatever. Oh fuck, I didn't have this shit on. God damn. Yeah, that was a. Yeah, okay, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna show this song real quick. So turn this on. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna keyframe it right there. Then the beat's gonna drop about right here. So keyframe. -30. So let's play that real quick. Now let's play with the whoosh effect. I'll show you how to get this shit in a minute. I don't know if I said that already, but fuck it. Damn it, it's not on, dude. See that I did one right here too. Fuck. So yeah, that's how you do that. It's pretty easy. So oh, for the whoosh effect, I think you can get this shit from like a preset pack or some shit like that. But I don't know how to get that, so I was like, fuck it. So I just went on YouTube and fuck, you can see shit. So I just type in this whoosh effect or whatever, and it's this video. You just click that, copy the link up here. Fucking YouTube and it don't matter, it's just, yeah, it's the same shit. You just, you click the link. Oh damn, what is that? Is that fucking it's easy to forget your girlfriend. Slick. That looks like fucking, what's her name? What the fuck's her name, bro? Kana? Yeah, bro. Oh, I say Kana, bro. Conan. Fucking. Oh, yeah, so you click that shit, you download it. you know, you'll find it like right here in your Finder and shit. Then you just, you know, you upload and shit. And you can just trim this also to your liking and shit. So, but yeah, this is my first tutorial and shit. Don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe. Share this video with your mom and your dog and